And that we might live no longer for ourselves, so that in serving you as a... I think many of us are concerned, and I think this is the question that's at the back of many of our minds. When's the end? Is he going to die? As I said, I don't think that is what we should concern ourselves with. We should rather celebrate what he stood for and what he continues to stand for, that he's been an icon of peace, an icon of service. Yes, we're concerned that he's ailing and that it's getting worse. Naturally, we should be concerned, but I think we should at this time rather pray that God may heal him, but also to remember what he stood for and what he continues to stand for.
Mandela is in our thoughts every day, for all of us every day.